Alright everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's gonna be a quick short video on if you got a soft top in an S2000 or any other car possibly. So mine it's probably like 15 years old, 16. So started ripping about last year and it's gotten really worse. And I've really been lagging to get it replaced. I don't know why. I've had chances, but anyways, I found out a cool little trick that you can do to replace this for the meantime, you know, so you don't have these holes and rain doesn't get in here or no one gets in here. Because I have a lot of people reaching in their hands in here and like trying to be funny. It's like it's just making it worse. Don't do that. So anyways, I'll show you a cool little trick. Alright, so we're gonna cut off the, I guess you could say, the excess fabric off. It's pretty scary, but we're doing it. Should I cut that off? Yeah, cut that off a little bit so it doesn't get in the way. Then you got this one over here. Ooh, this one's a big piece right here. I don't know if anybody's ever done this. It wasn't really my idea. I was just recommended to do it, so I'm doing it. Should I cut this one off?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Go for it.
We'll put it straight. Straight as possible. There you go. Alright, we'll leave that one. These are the fabric things we bought these at Joann's. They're like, I guess they're iron-ons. So basically we're gonna put it on here and then just iron it on, basically, to the best of our ability. And it's not gonna look obviously to match this, but it's to cover up the hole in the meantime while you get it really fixed or replaced. So we're gonna use this bigger piece. This one's really fucked up. So you're gonna need right here. So it's gonna basically be like. Alright, so you just wanna clean off around the fabric. I just put some water, wiped it down with a rag so it can stick a little bit better. And then yeah, we're just gonna put this one right here and you guys will see. And I'm just pressing it on there for like 25 to 30 seconds. I don't know honestly if it has to be wet. Sometimes I do use a little, what's it called? This shit, what's it called?
Iron? Water?
No, smoke.
Oh, steam.
Steam.
I was like, what?
Oh, yeah.
Damn, new hood, who this?
Alright, so there I put the patch on. I ironed around the corners. Sometimes it's a little difficult because it's obviously you don't have to support in the back, but either way, it'll do. It'll get the job done. I'm gonna do the other four right now, or the other couple ones, and then you'll see after at the end. I did both sides. This is how. This one? Nah. Nah, I don't want to fix that one. Because I'm not bringing it down anymore. It'll get it because you'd bring the top down and it rips up. Yeah, we are. Fuck that. So then go hard top. So then this is what. So then this is what this side. This is finished up. There's the other side. The other side's a little harder because it was more fucked up than the other side. So then this is this side. Still good. Still looks better than the other side, but it has more holes. That's how it looks. Maybe in pictures you definitely won't be able to tell, and probably in like from a distance you won't be able to tell. You know, if you're like driving by and your head just breaks like ah, you know. And people are gonna be like, "Oh, you fixed your top? You got a new top?" Yeah, you know me. You know me. New paint job, new top. That's how it goes.